Welcome back to Mach E Connection. Today we're going to build our own EV cable management system with a simple curtain rail and some pulleys for a potted plant. Let's get started. Alright, let's install our rail and see if this is actually going to work for us. So now we need to attach the pulleys to these little wheel things, and both these loops are closed. So what I'm going to do is, to fix that, I'm going to zip tie them together. Not too bad. So we're all done. I'll bring them home, plug the car. Just like that. When you plug the car in, just grab it. Plug it right on in. And if you need to go even farther away, these pulleys do allow you to bring the cable down. Or you could push them up, hold it for a second, and they should stay. So yeah, not too bad. I'll link everything down below, down in the description. With that, I'll see you later. Bye.